Lucky, milk and cookies. Nah, but for real, we got a little job around the house that we doing. You want to maintain your area, your domain, and keep everything in working order. So today, it's a quick, simple change out of the outdoor spigot. Now I just changed out one on the back side of my house. Now I'm doing the second one. I bought two, but I actually should have bought three. The one on the back side was starting to leak a little bit more than it was already leaking, so therefore I went on and replaced it. Bought these from Home Depot. Yeah, Lowe's has them too, but you gotta make sure you have the right one to fit your particular faucet. So that's the length that I needed. Wild faucet kit, and we in here. Alright, so I just wanted to. Anyway, I just changed my camera angle, but we back here. See, that's what we doing. Simple. So, on the one on the back, it was leaking, but this one on the front is not supposed to go down like that. So we gotta take this guy off, and then we basically just screw it out from there. So I'm gonna need that on. And I left my wrench. Hold on. I skipped ahead when I should have said this to start off. Anytime you're working with something that you have to replace pertaining to your water system, shut the water off. That is the off position where you see the hole lining up. If I turn it that way, that will turn it back on. Turn it that way, it's off. Get our wrench. Alright, from there, you should be able to just pull it out. I forgot to come back, but yeah. Took this old one out. Once you take this part off, you can just screw it out, and then it pulls out. And then you put the new one in, screw it in, and y'all done.